This video is to look at our large inner ear model. Again, please grab it, go back and forth, and this is our hotkey that tells us the landmarks. And I actually like it because it shows the inside of the cochlea as well. So, here is the inner ear. This is half of the cochlea. So I want you to see the inside of it right there. This is the vestibule. And then these are the semicircular canals that have semicircular ducts in them. So, this is the anterior canal. It's sort of hard because we've taken it out of the body. This is the lateral canal, and this is the posterior canal. I've never been big on asking the canals on the actual lab exam, just because there's so many other neat ear structures. Now, here is the vestibule, and then the cochlea. Now, if I look on the bottom right here, I have the round window right there, and the oval window right there. The stapes, remember that ossicle, actually pushes on the oval window, and that causes the perilymph here to be disturbed, and it causes the vibrations to go through the cochlea. Because the cochlea is actually hollow, and actually has 3 ducts that go through it. So the oval window is attached to this top one, the scala vestibuli. Depending on the pitch of the signals, the signal travels through the scala vestibuli around and around and around until it reaches the very tip of the cochlea. Now, depending on the pitch, it is going to disform this duct right here, the blue one. That's the cochlear duct, and that's where the hair cells are actually located. Then you have the scala tympani underneath, and that is basically the waves need some way to escape, and they escape out through the round window. So that is our large cochlea model. Oh, how can I forget the origin of one of my favorite nerves? So this is the cochlea. Meet the cochlear nerve. This is the vestibule. We have a nerve, part of the nerve coming from here, and we have some nerves coming from the semicircular canals. This is going to make up the vestibular nerve. This is the cochlear nerve. Together, they are going to form the vestibulocochlear nerve. So this is our large model. Be sure to look at the static model of the 3 scala and try to imagine this with that static model to see how they actually are put together. Hopefully it will make more sense after viewing this video. Thank you. Have a good day.